For too long, work has been stripped of color. The same alarm, the same commute, the same four walls. Each day begins with a promise that never arrives and ends with a question you stopped asking. Is this all there is? Weeks pass, then months. The world keeps turning, but you stand still. The seasons change outside your window, yet your days are carbon copies, stacked one on top of another like pages in a forgotten book. The clock ticks, the metro moves, the inbox fills, but life, real life, is always somewhere else. But sometimes all it takes is a single moment, a pause, a breath that cuts through the noise, a chance to ask yourself, does work have to feel this way? It doesn't, because work is no longer tied to a single place or a single desk. Your office can be anywhere. A laptop isn't just a device, it can be your passport. A train isn't just a commute, it can be a gateway. And when you realize that, the world starts to open up. The routine that held you tight begins to loosen its grip. You stop counting hours and start counting moments. Imagine starting your day with a sunrise over the ocean, taking a call from a quiet beach. The work stays the same, but the way you live it, completely transformed. Suddenly, work is no longer the weight that drags you down. It becomes the bridge that carries you forward. Work without walls. Live without limits.